I request you all to write the sentences what you have written. Just type the sentences. We will discuss on it.
Yeah. मनस्वी, आदित्य, गुरविंदर जी, आप भी अगर कुछ प्रैक्टिस कर पाए हो, अगर आपने लास्ट सेशन अटेंड किया था उसके बेस पे जो प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, सिंगुलर, प्लूरल, जिस भी हिसाब से अगर आप कुछ सेंटेंस मेकिंग कर पाए, बिकॉज वी शेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स इन द लास्ट सेशन.
Even any new words also we can.
Definitely. Any new word you have come across, कुछ भी नए शब्द देखे हो, try करे हो, we can definitely try using them in sentences, and we can discuss that.
If they have done it, let them type the sentences.
Yeah. So if you have done it, if you've made any sentences, you want to make them like right away, even that, like the next 5-7 minutes, please do that and type that in the chat so that all of us can see it and we all can discuss it.
See, whatever you have written, you just write. See, wherever, if there is a mistake, we can correct it. Not a problem.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so Aditya has written the sentence, I work in home. I think the correct would be I work from home or I work at home. Okay, let us receive some more sentences and then probably we can discuss them together. Okay, so Aditya has also shared I worked for home is okay, fine, but it's more like कि मैं घर से काम करता हूँ या I work from home. Pooja, you might want to put yourself on mute in case. Yeah, thank you, Pooja. I usually walk to school. That is correct, Gurvinder ji. Yes, this is what you usually do. So that is something you do right now. You've been doing it for some time and you're doing it presently as well. So I usually walk to school. That's the correct sentence. Okay, Manasvi has also shared a few. So maybe I will just wait for ma'am to come back and give her point of view as well. But Manasvi has written, I dance every day, which is okay, which is something which is happening in the present. I danced yesterday, okay, that is something which has happened in the past, and I will dance tomorrow. That's correct. Right. Right. He likes to go to fishing. Okay. I think in this one, I think वो बात बिल्कुल ठीक करी है गुरविंदर जी आपने कि जैसे जो सिंगुलर नाउन फॉर्म होता है, वर्ब फॉर्म होता है, वो आपने यूज करा है सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ. So he likes is correct. He likes to go fishing. I think to fishing is not required. यहाँ पर जो to जो एक auxiliary preposition है, उसकी एक preposition की शायद जरूरत नहीं है. and he likes to go fishing. Kyunki fishing is something which he will go, likes to go, and he will go today, tomorrow, every time. So he likes to go to fish, या फिर he likes to go fishing. These are the two forms of using the verb form. I went Mount Abu in summer holidays. Okay, I went to Mount Abu. So यहाँ पर आदित्य, you went where? So you will have to mention like कहाँ गए थे? तो you went to Mount Abu in summer holidays. She will go to a concert tomorrow. Yeah, I think that is correct. She goes swimming every Saturday. Right, बिल्कुल सही गुरविंदर जी, that is correct. बस सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग में का जो लेटर होगा वो हमेशा कैपिटल होगा. तो शी में जो एस है वो कैपिटल होगा गुरविंदर जी, अदरवाइज इट्स अ टोटली करेक्ट इंग्लिश सेंटेंस. think मैम okay. Okay. Then the next one is, just a second. Huh. They are going to hiking. So they are going to hike, or they are going to they are going hiking. They're going for hiking, right? That would be a better sentence, because again, verb में there are two ways to use the verb, the to form and the ing form. So उनका usage जो है that happens accordingly. So usually with to, if you're using a verb form, the ing form doesn't come. So usually with the, when if you're using the to form, which is known as to infinitive, well, that is what the technical term is, right? So you use words without the ing form there. So you say you need to continue, you need to choose between this, you need to begin working. To forget is to be human. You need to manage things as per your own. Yes, to is an infinitive, right, ma'am? Yeah, I was just telling the right usage. Yeah. So basically, maybe you can tell even in a better fashion as to how to go about using the to plus verb form versus ing form of verb. Ing is the gerund. Yes. So over here, the to form, I am helping my mother to cook food. Okay. So yeah, ma'am. So ma'am, you can now take over and take the session ahead. Acha, ma'am, just to let you know, in case you're speaking, we're not able to hear you because you're on mute. Just in case you're speaking. Yeah.
Are you able to
Yeah, now
hear
we,
it?
yeah.
Now,
Yeah,
here,
we're able to hear you now.
I just asked you, it
Yeah.
is a beautiful peacock. He is a good boy. Two sentences I've given.
Yeah.
Okay. Adjective is a word which explains the noun.
Now.
Adverb is a word which explains the verb. Now, I've given you two sentences. I will explain what an adjective is. First, in the first sentence, it is a beautiful peacock. Which is the noun here?
Okay.
Can you all say which is the noun here?
Come on, guys, answer.
Peacock.
Manas,
Yes.
peacock.
He is a good boy. Boy. Yes? Boy. Yes? Now, these two are nouns. You're clear about it. Now, adjective, it is one word which explains the noun. Now, what is the sentence here? It is a beautiful peacock. What type of a peacock it is? Beautiful peacock. Sorry, the word that explains the noun, it is called an adjective. Beautiful is now an adjective. Which is an adjective? Beautiful is an adjective. Why? It is explaining the noun. It is explaining the noun. Right? What type of a peacock it is? It is a beautiful peacock. Okay. Good. What type of a boy he is? He is a good boy. It is an adjective. Boy is a noun. Right? He's a good boy. Right? If it is the word is explaining about a noun, then it is called an adjective. Then it is called an adjective. Okay. It was, he gave me an excellent present. He gave me an excellent present, gift. You can write gift. He gave me an excellent gift. The match was wonderful. The match was thrilling. The match was thrilling. Right? Now, match is a noun. It is the name of a game. Let it be cricket, let it be hockey, whatever game it is. Let it be chess, whatever it is. How was the match? It was thrilling. You're talking about the noun. He gave me an excellent gift. Gift is a noun. What type of a gift? Excellent gift. You're talking more about the noun. Okay. The word that says more about a noun is called an adjective, which explains the noun is called an adjective. Are you clear? Yes. The word which says more about a noun is called an adjective. Are you clear? Yes. It is a beautiful pen. Or you can write that is a beautiful pen. This is a beautiful pen. This is a beautiful pen. This is an excellent pen, a wonderful pen. Pen is a noun. What type of a pen it is? Wonderful pen. You're explaining the quality of a noun. What type of a pen it is? A wonderful pen. My father is a lovable father. Father is noun. My father is a lovable man. Man is a noun. What type of a father he is? Lovable man. Lovable father. Okay, you're explaining the quality of the noun, then it is called an adjective. Then it is called an adjective. Are you clear? Now, can you give me some sentences with adjectives now? You have any doubt? Can you write some sentences with adjectives? The match was thrilling. Match is a game. How was the match? It was thrilling. Right? You're talking something more about the match. A noun. The match was thrilling. He gave me an excellent gift. Gift. What type of a gift? Gift is a noun. Excellent gift. Right? When you're talking more about the noun, it is called an adjective. She's a beautiful woman. What type of woman she is? She is a beautiful woman. He is a gentleman. What type of a man he is? He's a gentleman. He's a great man. Abdul Kalam is a great scientist. What type of a scientist? Great scientist. Great is an adjective there. The word that you are using to tell more about a noun. Abdul Kalam is a scientist. What type of a scientist? Great scientist. Yeah. A fleet of ships. They are not nouns, beta. I always get up at 5. I always get up at 5. This is not an adverb. Adjective. This is a big lock. Adjective is correct. A fleet of ships. It is a phrase. Ship is a noun. Okay. When there are more ships, it is called a fleet of ships. We'll come to that part of grammar later. Ships is a noun. That is correct. I always get up at 5. So you're waking up at 5. Get up. Adverb. Add. That is not an adverb. It is a verb. Okay. At what time you get up? 5. I always get up. I always get up. This is insisting an action. So it is called an adverb. Right? There the sentence is correct. Adjective. This is a big lock, not locks. Locks is plural. When you are using is, it comes singular. Okay? If the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. This is a big lock. You're talking about only one lock. Locks nine. This is a big lock. Are you clear? This is a big lock. Right? You're writing. I wrote that this is a wonderful pen. I did not write pens. You're talking about only one pen. This is a big lock. What type of a lock it is? It is a big lock. I always get up at 5. Right? A fleet of ship, not ships. Fleet itself, it is so many. It is in plural. You don't go to so many technical words now. Don't go to all the countable and uncountable words. Okay, first let us come here. Okay, let us learn adjectives and adverbs first. Now, do you understand what an adjective is? Yes? Any doubts? Other students, are you getting what an adjective is? Now, adverb is one word that explains a verb. Okay. She writes neatly. She writes neatly. Now, writing is an action. How does she write? Neatly. Writing is a neatly. How does she write? Writing is a verb. Are you clear? She writes neatly. How does she write? You're explaining the action, then that is called adverb. Then that is called adverb. Okay. Okay. He batted wonderfully. He batted excellently. Excellently. She played. She wrote clearly. He spoke softly. He spoke softly. He spoke softly. They eat hungrily. They eat hungrily. He spoke softly. You're talking about the action, right? How did he speak? Softly. How did they eat? Hungrily. You're explaining more about the action. She wrote clearly. Writing is an action. How did she write? Clearly. He batted excellently. Dhoni batted excellently, right? He bowled slowly. He bowled slowly. She learns easily. She learns easily. You should write correctly. She, Learns, learns easily. She learns easily. Okay? Okay. Now learn. See, dekho. All these words are verbs. Batting, it is a verb. Writing, speaking, eating, bowling, learning. All these are verbs. How are they doing the action? Okay. He batted excellently. Batting is a verb. Kesa, how did he bat? Excellently. Excellently is the adverb. She wrote clearly. Writing is the verb. Wrote is the past tense, right? The past tense, wrote. She wrote clearly. How did she write? Clearly. He spoke softly. Speaking matlab, it is an action. How did he speak? Softly. You're talking about the quality of the action. It is called an adverb. They eat hungrily. Eating, action. Right? How are they eating? Hungrily. She learns easily. Learning is an action. How did she learn? Easily. He bowled slowly. Okay? Clearly. 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 Are you clear? Now, have you understood adjectives and adverbs? Yes? Have you understood adjectives and adverbs? Only one person answering. Only one person is answering. Tell me. Yes? Gurvinder Singh ji, okay. You've understood. Yes? Now, we have seen. That day we saw the singular and plural. I, we, second person you, and third person he, she, they, everything. Now we are seeing today 8 parts of the speech. First, I told you what a noun is and verb is. The day. Now today you are learning what is called an adverb and an adjective. Right? Now, can you write some sentences with adverbs? Please write some sentences with adverbs. Just type some sentences with adverbs. Whatever adverb you know. Yes? Can I get some answers? He runs faster. Yes. He runs faster, right? Runs faster. He runs faster. Faster. He runs faster. Now, what type of a sentence this is? Run matlab, what is the word here? Run is
Verb.
verb. Very good. Okay. Faster is
Adverb.
wonderful. Run. Type it. Type it. Wait. Type it. Adverb. Correct. So, very good. Excellent. Now we have understood what adverb and adjective is. Excellent. Right? Now he runs faster. Running is a verb. How does he run? Faster. Correct? It is an adverb. A word that says more about a verb is called an adverb. Now, can you give me one sentence for an adjective? Anybody can write. If it's wrong, we'll correct. A sentence with an adjective. Yes? Tigers are strong animals. Her dog is cute. Wonderful. Both the sentences are correct. Dog is a noun. How is the dog? Cute. Right? That is an adjective. Tigers are strong animals. Beta, spelling of animals is? Check the spelling of animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Tigers are strong animals. Tiger is a noun. What type of an animal it is? Strong animal. So it is an adjective. I gave an excellent answer. This thing. I gave an excellent answer. Answer. What type of an answer it is? Excellent answer. It is an adjective. Answer is a noun. Okay? I gave an excellent answer. Always happy. Happy is adjective. Okay, it is an adjective. He is always happy. Happiness is an emotion. Okay, it is an emotion. Name of an emotion. Okay, name of an emotion, a feeling. So that is a noun. He is always happy. That is an adjective, not adverb. He is always happy. Happy is an happy is an adjective. He is always happy. Happy is a noun. Sorry. Happy is a noun. The name of a feeling. Happy is a noun. Okay. Always happy. Always is an adjective. Okay. Happy is the name of a feeling. It is the name of a feeling. Breeze is blowing gently. Yeah, how is it blowing? Gently. This is an adjective. Breeze is blowing gently. This is an adverb. Blowing is an action. How is the breeze blowing? Gently. That is an, yeah, Aditya gets up early. Adverb, correct. The car was moving slowly. Correct. All these are adverbs. Good examples. Breeze is blowing gently. Blowing. How is the breeze blowing? Gently. It is an adverb. Right? Aditya gets up early. Okay. Aditya gets up early. Getting up, it is an action word. How does he get up? Early. Right? This is an adverb. The car was moving slowly. How was the car moving? Slowly. You're talking about the action of the verb. This is called an adverb. Are you clear? Yes? Are you clear? Did you understand? Adverb and an adjective. Big cars move fast. Big cars move fast. Okay? Here, moving is an action. This is an action. How do they move? Fast. You're talking about the quality of the action. So it is an adverb. Good. Shobit Chakal has written. Yeah. Big cars move fast. It is an adverb. Now, are you noting down all these sentences? Kindly note down in the notebook. Big cars move fast. Big cars. What type of cars they are? They are big cars. Here, big is an adjective. See, in this sentence, you can find adjective and adverb. Good sentence it is. What type of a car it is? It is a big car. Big is an adjective. Move fast. How do they move? Fast. Moving is an action. How are they moving? Fast. It is an adverb. In one sentence, you're getting both adverb and adjective. Very good. Are you clear? Yes? Big cars move fast. Now, can you write some more sentences?
Yes, exactly. Ma'am, I was thinking maybe we could ask them to just try making sentences where they can use an adjective as well as an adverb. So they will know that.
Yeah, this is very good. Big cars move fast.
So guys, try and make sentences where you are
Please.
qualifying a verb as well as a noun here. Just try doing that.
Yeah. Ram is so much hungry. Not hungrily, beta. It is only hungry. Ram is so much hungry. Your sentence, what you have tried to make is correct. No problem. Yeah. Ram is so much hungry. Now, hungry, being hungry is an action. Right? Being so much hungry. Here, so much is an adjective. You're expressing the more feeling. Okay? Hungry, not hungrily. Ram is so much hungry. She is very angry. She is very angry. All these are verbs. Being angry, hungry. Right? My mother is doing so much work. There is no verb here at all. My mother is so much work. Is your mother is doing a mother bhi kaam hai kya? Tell me, your mother is not the work. Beta Aditya, the sentence is wrong. My mother is doing so much work. The white horse was running slowly. Beautiful sentence, Manasli. White horse is the noun. Right? Now, what type of a horse, what was it? It was a white horse. White is an adjective here. Right? Was running slowly. How was it running? Slowly. So you are getting both adjective and adverb. The white horse was running slowly. Very good. That's a great work. Excellent. Yes, it's excellent. The white horse, what type of a horse it is? You're talking about the noun, white horse. How was it running? Slowly. You're writing about the quality of the action. Are you clear? My mother is doing so much work. My mother, you can write so many sentences like this. My mother does so much work. You want to write it in a continuous sentence. My mother is doing so much work. My lovely mother sings well. Yeah, beautiful. Now, mother is a noun. What type of a mother she is? Lovely. Now, lovely is adjective or adverb? My lovely mother sings well. How does she sing? Well. Adjective. What? How does she sing? Well. Right? This word well, W-E-L-L, well. Is it an adverb or an adjective? Adverb. Very good. Right? My lovely mother sings well. Right? My lovely mother sings well. Beautiful sentence. Now you have understood what an adverb is and adjective is. Yes? Have you all understood? Any doubts? Any doubts?
Guys, please speak up. If there are any doubts, anything that you want to clarify, please be open to discussion.
Any doubts you have with adverbs and adjectives? Are you clear? Now you know how to frame a sentence with adverb and adjective.
Both Aditya, Namdev, both of you guys, are you totally clear?
Aditya is here. Manasvi, she's been replying. Shobit Shingal has been replying. Yes, other participants. Manasvi has been replying.
And
Priyani,
how about you? Are you clear with this?
Aryan, Priyani Agrawal, and Aryan. Priyani Agrawal. Half of the things you understood. So what was the problem with Aditya and understanding? Because I joined in between the class. Okay, no problem. He is
No
often
problem. You
wandering the
can see the
streets.
recording and then you can revise. No problem.
No problem. He is often wandering the streets. Wandering in the streets. Aditya, in you have to write because it is a location. Where is he wandering? In the streets. It is not sir, it is ma'am.
No, ma'am, he's replying to me saying that he will.
Okay. He is often wandering in the streets. INN. Yes? That is the correction. Okay? Now the adjective, adverb. Okay? You have learned. Now have you understood the noun, verb, adverb, and adjective? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Now you're able to frame sentences. What I want you to do is each of you take different verbs, whatever other verbs you find, other nouns you find, a sentence with a noun and a verb. Each of you frame 10 sentences. Okay? With a noun and a verb in a sentence. Yes? He is quite right. Yes. He is quite right. Yes, quite is QIT, quite right. Which is the What is the grammar used here? Adverb or adjective?
Adverb.
Adverb. Adverb. How does it become an adverb? Right. He is quite right.
So being right is a state, you know, either you are right or wrong. So
Hmm.
that perspective, it's a noun. So that is why this could be an adjective, in my opinion.
Adjective.
Yeah.
It is an adjective. He is quite right. Right is a noun. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It is a noun. He is quite right. You're talking about the quality of the noun, then it is an adjective. It is not a verb. Okay? You're telling about the quality of something. Okay, he is right. It is an adjective, quite right. Here, QIT, quite is an adjective. Being right is a noun. Are you clear? It is an adjective. Are you clear? And one thing, let me tell you, please don't give your answers from the Google. I want you to give the answers. So don't look into the Google and give me the answers. You might wonder how ma'am is noting everything from the opposite side, but still, I'm telling you, Google answers I don't want. I want your answers. Yes? So what I want you to do is, I want you to write sentences using both. Each of you write 10 sentences. Now we have 7 students. We have 7 students. What are you trying to do is, okay, the 6 students, you write, if not 10 sentences, 5 sentences using a noun and a verb in a sentence. Okay? In a sentence. I think that might be the homework for you. We will discuss that in the next class. Will it be okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. I think that will definitely help them practice.
Right?
Yeah.
Each of them, let them write 5 sentences. So 5 students are there, they get 25 sentences.
Yeah.
Right? These 25 nouns and the verbs we can discuss in the next class.
Yeah.
Okay?
Also, I think it would be good, you know, just try and make those sentences using these qualifiers as well, your adjectives and adverbs. If it is it a bit too much, then just simply use verbs and nouns. Otherwise, for example, let's like he is walking. Now that is a sentence which has a verb and a noun as well. But if you try to make a sentence in which you can use an adjective or an adverb, that will be even better. What do you say, ma'am? I think that should help them practice better, right?
You just practice it, then I will explain the difference between a pronoun. What
Okay,
a pronoun
fine. Understood. Sure, ma'am. No problem. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You first write these sentences.
Yeah.
The next class, I will explain what a pronoun is.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
We will go. Then we will go to preposition. What a preposition is.
Yeah. Definitely.
Right? So
Okay, ma'am.
as of today, I think you understood the class today. As of today, I'm just giving you this assignment. You can just do it. Okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Can I wind up, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so very much, ma'am.
Are you finding the class okay?
Come on, guys. Please respond. How are you finding these sessions?
Tell me. Otherwise, I'll introduce some other teacher. No problem.
No, ma'am. Aditya, how are you finding?
So good.
Ma'am, this session is so good, and like as we are covering like new topic day by day, so it will become beneficial for us to know like where we lacking and where we have to work. So yeah, it's very good.
Great.
Okay. So if you are comfortable, then okay. Okay. Now you
Yeah.
just practice these sentences. We will discuss.
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
next class.
Definitely, I will do.
All of you, not
Yeah.
one, sir. No, everyone. I want everyone to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Great. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. See you guys on.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
Okay.
Good night, sir. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.